Hey guys, my name is Jasmine and today I wanted to talk to you about how to manage your cosplay account on Instagram. I've got here my fancy little list and let's get started. Also, it's like 40 degrees outside and this is what I'm wearing. It's always winter in this house. So the first thing when you open your cosplay account on Instagram is obviously deciding on the name. And you have to make the name unique and special to you. So what I did when I opened my account is I googled my name and checked if it's used or if there is any other username that is really similar to it. And when I found that nobody used it ever, so then I decided that this is going to be my name. You have to make the name unique, yeah, but you also have to make it simple and easy to remember. You have to make your name catchy so that people will remember it. By the way, I'm also literally dying right now, so that's fun. What a time to film a video. The second thing that you have to pay attention to is your profile picture. You have to make your profile picture look attractive to the eye and to go well with your username, so people will want to click on your account when they see it. Another important thing is your bio. You have to keep your bio simple and straight to the point. Also, it's very important that the information in your bio is related to what your account is about, which is in our case cosplay. So you can write when you started cosplaying, what is your next cosplay, what's the next convention you are going to be attending, which are some of the things that are written in my bio personally. Another huge part of Instagram are obviously your posts and your timeline. So there are a few important things that you want to keep in mind about your posts. First thing is obviously how much you post. If you want people to not get bored of you and unfollow you, you have to keep in mind two things. One, you have to post regularly, at least 3 times, 4 times a week, so people will always have new content and want to follow you. Another thing is more of my opinion and less a fact. You want to not post 20 pictures straight of the same cosplay because it gets boring and people will unfollow you if they think you're boring. So try to post different cosplays and mix them up so people won't get bored of your account. If you turn your profile into a business profile, you'll be able to see different insights of your account. For example, you can check how many people saw a certain post and how many saved it and so on and so forth. One really important use for this feature is it gives you a general idea of when it's best for you to post. For example, the best times for me to post are between 9 p.m. and midnight. And these are the times when my followers are the most active. So this is when I post. Another thing that you can do to make people pay attention to your account is go to the cosplay tag and go to or any other tag on Instagram that is related to what you're posting and start liking and commenting on other people's stuff. Some of those people are going to return the favor and some of them might even follow you. Which leads us to another important thing. Use tags on your posts. Tag cosplay, cosplayer, cosplaying, all of the things that are related to cosplay. Tag the name of the series, book, film, whatever your cosplay is from. Tag the names of the characters. People are going to search up those tags eventually and find your posts, so it will give you more reach. Another important thing that you can do to increase the amount of people who view your account is join S4S and also start S4Ss on your own. S4S means shout out for shout out, which basically means that you post a shout out on your story for a certain person, and this person uh, posts a shout out for you on their story. When someone gives you a shout out on their story, everybody who follows them and looks at their story will see your account, and some of them might follow you, so it can really help your account to grow. But in my opinion, the two most important things when you have an Instagram account, cosplay and non-cosplay, are: one, be nice. And I cannot stress it enough. Be nice to anybody. I don't care if they bully you or whatever. Be nice, because people talk, and something small that you said can turn into a big thing and ruin your reputation. And not to scare anybody, but things like that do happen, and you gotta be careful and be nice to everybody. And it will also make you feel good about yourself that you're doing the right thing. So just be nice. And another thing that I think is very important to keep in mind is don't compare yourself to others, because you might be just starting out, so there is no use in comparing yourself to people who've been doing cosplay on Instagram for years, because if you let those people discourage you, you're never ever going to get to their level. You have to keep practicing your skills, and this is literally the only way someday you're going to look like any of your idols. You just have to keep at it and keep going strong. This is literally the only way. So that's it for this video. If you have anything else to add that I forgot to talk about, please leave it in the comments below. Follow me on my cosplay Instagram and my personal Instagram. Check out the channel's Instagram, subscribe to the channel and like this video, and yeah, and don't forget to post a picture on Instagram today. Bye bye!